Right there, crafters. I gotta figure out what way I want to lay my camera here, so. Alright, well, I should say, hey, alright there, crafters and paracord enthusiasts. I'm gonna add a different location here. Now I gotta do a spot. A spot sheet for it, which whatever, it's no big deal. Yeah, I just closed the class for my whips here, so. Wait, no, I already got this spot on. Never mind. So, if you have this style of whip, like I do, I'm trying to undo some Scotch electrical tape right now, so. If you have a set of whips like this, I use tape to kind of try to protect the ends a little bit, which I had both ends come undone now. The second one came undone on video, so show you guys how to quickly fix it in a fucking bind. So I got a lighter with me here, thankfully. So I don't need a knife anymore. I can put that away. I just needed it to help me get the tape off without fucking it up, because I'm going to try to rewrap it here without trying to have with having to go home and do it, because doing it this way here, if I do decide to rewrap it down the road, I can do it at home. So I carry, this is why I carry a lighter. I don't smoke or nothing, but you don't want to get the end hot here. I guess I didn't need my pliers, but it's also my dumb idea, dumb mistake to not have it ready. I guess I can try it on instead of using something that'll explode in my fucking hands due to heat. Yeah, lighters will explode under heat. I learned that a long time ago. So my dad had I don't know what year, but it was a Zuzu Trooper. It was an older vehicle. And he, at this point in time, he smoked. And he had several lighters laying around the house, because he never smoked. He never smoked in the house. He always smoked in the garage or outside or in a vehicle, which at times was with me and my brother in it, which parents, I do not suggest you do if you have kids, because it's not safe, it's not healthy. Smoking in general is bad, so. I accidentally blew it out. So now I'm going to go like so. Yeah, as you can tell, I'm not ambidextrous or whatever the fuck the name is, however you say it, where you can use both. You'll use either your right or left hand. There's some things I can use both hands for, like obviously video gaming, typing on like my phone or whatever. So yeah, that's how you or whatever. So that's how you pretty much do it, is take a lighter. That's how you finish pretty much anything. Ooh, broke the one end again. So I gotta undo my thing, because I guess I didn't get it hot enough. So it's how you pretty much start or finish anything paracord wise. So melt the ends, unless if you do a like endless type thing. Like this, certain things you can get away without using, like clasps. Like every whip I've made, it's no clasps except for the ones I use the key rings to put on for my fork or on my brake lever. They keep fucking breaking. When I get to the fucking point, I'm gonna... Doesn't help here that my lighter is not wanting to cooperate either. I mean, yeah, I could just use my fingers too, but then my fingers get burnt doing it, so. You know, you burn your fingers doing this. That's why I recommend using the pliers. Now, hopefully this doesn't break. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna try reusing my tape here, so I can at least get home, and then I can rewrap it, because I got the tape there. That's how you do it. So it's rewrapped. I'm gonna, like I said, it's not gonna, I know it's not gonna stay, so I gotta burn this little thing off here, so you know, who knows, the tape may stay, so. But yeah, that's all you guys really need if you got to fix, you know, if you got a motorcycle whip, or do it like me, or you use it on your mountain bike or whatever. That's how you can fix whips if you have styles like this. You know, similar styles are the same way, but you know, you just got to melt the ends and whatever. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.